Good day. In this video, we are going to do question 1A of the 2024 NCEA Level 3 Probability Concept Method. And this is the merit question. So without further ado, let's try to solve question 1A, part 1 and part 2. So the part 1 is going to be an achieve and part 2 is going to be a merit if you get both of them right. Okay, so the question of 1A looks like this. Okay, I'm going to adjust the paper. Okay, it sounds like this. Okay, I'm going to bring it up. Okay. Educators use writing detector like Turnitin to detect if students have used AI to rewrite their assignment. When designing writing detectors, scientists focus on accuracy. If they say AI writing is present, they want to be pretty certain that it is AI generated to ensure that students are not falsely accused of misconduct. This means that the detector may not always detect all AI writing, some may be missed. A false positive in AI writing detection refers to incorrectly identifying the fully human written text as AI generated. Suppose that a particular writing detector has a 1% false positive rate, but that of 74% it fails to detect AI generated writing. Based on a confidential survey, students in one teacher's course, it is thought that 22% of pieces of student writing content that is generated by AI. So if 120 pieces of writing are screened by AI detector, approximately how many would be detected as potentially generated by AI? Okay, so we need to do this probability tree. So done by human or done by AI, okay? And then is it AI or not AI, AI and not AI. So we're going to read the question carefully and going to put in the numbers, okay? So the first thing is, based on the confidential data, it is thought that 22% of student pieces contain content that's generated by AI. So AI is 0.22 and human will be 0.78 because this must add up to 1. Okay, now we need to put in the numbers, okay? Suppose that a particular AI has a 1% false positive. So if it's human and if AI is 0.01 or 1%, but 74% it fails to detect. So it is AI and it fails to detect is 0.74. So now we have the tree diagram we can calculate. So now we're going to fill up all the tree. So this 0.22, 0.78, this will be 0.99 and that will be 0.26. Okay. Now the question is, what is the probability that it is AI generated, indicated? So it could be here or here. So we're going to take 0.78 multiplied by 0.01 plus the second column 0.22 times 0.26, and then you put in your calculator and the answer is 0.065. Okay, please check the calculation for me. And now to calculate the expected value or number of pieces that will be detected by AI, you take the number of trials times the probability. The probability is 0.065. You take 120 times 0.065 and the answer is going to be 7.8. So it cannot be 7.8, so it's going to be 8 pieces. Okay, so you can get it right. That's an achieve. And now we're going to do part 2 of the question. Part 2 sounds like that. Okay, so part 2, a piece of writing is detected as potentially generated by AI. Comment on whether the teacher should be concerned that a student should be unfairly accused of cheating. Support your answer with statistical reasoning. Okay, so we have done the same tree diagram, okay? The same from the part 1. So we need to find the probability of human given that is AI indicated, okay? So it's going to be human and AI multiplied by probability of AI. We know that this was 0.065 because we calculate in part 1, so we're going to just put the numbers there. So probability of human and AI is going to be human and AI, you take 0.78 multiplied by 0.01 and probability of AI is going to be 0.065. This is from part 1. Calculated is going to be 0.12. Okay, so to answer the question, for pieces of work that are indicated as AI generated, 12% was produced by human. Okay, so 12%. So this is quite a big percentage. 1 out of 8 of the work is done by human. Therefore, the teacher should be concerned that a student will be unfairly accused of plagiarism. So that is how you answer, and that is the merit in this question. So hopefully I see you in the next video, which is question 1B. Cheers everyone, have a great day.